Hi and welcome to another video in the Quick Fix series. Today you will learn about could have and couldn't have in English. So let's get started. So could is a modal verb used to talk about past ability. For example, I could sleep for 12 hours when I was a teenager. This means that in the past, when I was a teenager, I was able to sleep for 12 hours. This is past ability. Whereas could plus have plus the past participle is used to talk about past possibility. For example, I could have slept all night if the neighbours weren't so noisy. So it would have been possible to sleep all night if the neighbours didn't make so much noise. This is past possibility. So let's look at when we use could have. Firstly, for hypothetical past possibility, things that were possible in the past but didn't happen. I could have gone to work, but I decided to take the day off. It was possible for me to go to work, but it didn't happen. I didn't go. Or, I could have won the race, but I fell over. It was possible for me to win the race, but it didn't happen. I didn't win. And here in the negative, we have couldn't plus have plus the past participle. And this is used to talk about hypothetical past impossibility, things that weren't possible in the past but did happen. For example, I couldn't have done it without your help. In other words, it wasn't possible for me to have done it without you, but it did happen. Secondly, we use could have plus the past participle to say that someone had the ability or opportunity to do something but did not do it. For example, she could have learned Spanish, but she didn't want to. She had the ability or the opportunity to learn Spanish, but she didn't do it. She didn't learn Spanish. Or, I could have slept all day, but I didn't. I had the opportunity to sleep all day, but I didn't do it. I didn't sleep all day. Thirdly, we also use could have to make guesses about the past, to speculate. So, for example, it's 2 o'clock. They could have arrived by now. I don't know if they've arrived. I'm guessing and speculating about the past. It's possible, it's speculation. Or, where are they? They could have got lost. Again, I'm guessing. They could have got lost. It is possible. It's a speculation. Finally, we use couldn't have or can't have to say that a past event was impossible. So, for example, he knows the way. He couldn't have got lost. It is not possible that he has got lost, and you are sure of this. This is an impossible past event. Or, if Steve was at work until 6, he couldn't have done the murder. It again is an impossible past event. It wasn't possible for Steve to commit the murder, and we are sure of this. Lastly, a little note on a common mistake, which is to write the word of instead of have, or the contraction apostrophe VE. So I could have told you that instead of I could have told you that, or I could have told you that. This is wrong, and these two are right. The reason for the mistake is that the pronunciation of have, when it's unstressed, is the same as that of, and the two words are confused when it is spoken. So when it comes to writing them down, sometimes people write of because it sounds like of. But remember, it's not of, but have, even though they sound the same. So that's it for now. I hope you feel more confident using could have and couldn't have in English. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, share it with your friends and colleagues learning English, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button down below now so you don't miss out on any new English language videos. Okay, take care and see you very soon. Bye-bye.